Hey, Rob here from Part Gurus and Design to Part. I want to invite you to the Cobb Galleria Convention Center, March 29th and 30th for our Design to Part trade show. Hey, look behind me. These are America's best contract manufacturers.
American manufacturers only. These are the best in the country.
And I want you to meet them face to face at the Cobb Galleria Convention Center, March 29th and 30th. Look at this technology. You can see this live face to face. You're going to learn great new technologies on the show floor. Bring prints, bring parts, bring your problems. Get some of them solved. March 29th and 30th at the Cobb Galleria Center, Atlanta, Georgia.
The real benefit is that you could touch, see, and feel sample parts. You talk to the people that make it. They're going to be standing there face to face, and that's what you really want.
Especially, you're going to meet one of the best providers of CNC, CNC Swiss, and screw machine products. And that is us, Roberts Automatic Products. I'm Matt. Here's our booth, and come and see me.
Or do you need plastic injection molding? You should stop by to see Hardy Spence at Ash Industries in booth 114.
You talked to Hardy about this program called Supermold. If you need quick turn plastic injection molded parts in the real material, this is not 3D printing.
We created a flat rate program in order for you to get the tooling you need and the parts in low volumes. Afterward, you can go directly into production.
These are all the Part Gurus that are on the show floor. They're specialists at solving your problems.
Did you mention that the show's free?
Admission is free. Just sign up right here. To the Cobb Galleria Center, March 29th and 30th, Atlanta, Georgia.